Hello everybody and welcome to GobbleUp. Today I'm going to be teaching you a very simple dish called lemon pepper chicken. So let's get started. We take 250 grams of boneless chicken, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mix the two up very well. Then we take the lemon juice, add it to the chicken marinade and mix it well. Next, add a teaspoon of pepper. Of course, you can add more if you wish. And then add some salt according to your taste. Now add around 1.5 tablespoons of oil to the chicken, followed by a little bit of coriander leaves for the flavor, and give it a good stir so that everything mixes really well. Next, add a little bit of turmeric. This is purely your choice. Some people like adding a little bit of red color, but I prefer using a little bit of turmeric or haldi. And then mix it up. Now refrigerate the chicken for 2 to 3 hours so that the juices get absorbed into the chicken well. Next, take a little bit of butter and add it to the pan, followed by a little bit of oil. You could use only butter. I prefer to use oil and butter together. Once the oil starts bubbling, add the marinated chicken into the dish and pan and continue to stir it so that all the juices and the masalas get incorporated into the chicken. After doing that, stir it for a while and make sure that it doesn't get stuck to the pan. If you wish to add a little bit of more oil, you may, but I like to work with a little less oil. And then you cover the lid and cook it for a while. Now, if you want to make your dish a little more spicy, we can take a green chili at this stage, a chopped green chili, and add it to the chicken. And give it a good stir and mix it together. Now, all the while you keep stirring it so that the chicken does not get stuck to the bottom of the pan. And we have to cook the chicken till it gets tender and it leaves oil and the oil separates. Now, if the chicken is still not yet tender, we can add a little bit of water and cover it up so that the steam that is generated will help the chicken to cook a little faster. Keep stirring the chicken. We're waiting for it to get tender and the oil to separate. Now, as we can see, the oil has started to separate a little and the chicken is now more or less tender. Once it's tender, we add a little bit of more lemon juice to make it a little more tangy. Since it's lemon chicken, so we should make it a little tangy, isn't it? Now it's done. Now we can take it out in the serving bowl. And it really looks yummy now. But wait till the garnishing is done. It's really going to look very, very appetizing. Now the chicken is in the bowl and we can garnish it with a little bit of more pepper and final touches with the leftover coriander leaves. And now the dish is ready for you to eat.